Let's revisit the anchor tag and review some of its attributes, starting with the three most common: hyperreference, the target attribute, and the name attribute. The most important attribute of the anchor element is the HREF attribute, which indicates the link's destination. The HREF attribute makes the anchor element into a link by defining the link address, as I've done here. In this case, href equals http://www.geekmanuals.com, and then the actual link words that you'll see on the page are visit Geek Manuals with an exclamation point. This code would look like this in the browser with the link in blue and underlined. When I click on the link, I will then go to my website, as we can see here. Now you'll notice that on most browsers, but not on all, those links will be blue and underlined. This is the default for the browser, but you can change this, which I'll be showing you a little bit later. The specific syntax for this attribute is href equals, and then in quotation marks, the link. Then you close the opening anchor tag, and then you write the actual link text, and then close the anchor tag. In between the quotation marks, you can put any uniform resource indicator. A uniform resource indicator is just a standard way of specifying web addresses, email addresses, FTP addresses, and other resources. We've seen an example of a uniform resource indicator for a web address, but let's add some syntax for an email address. If you open up the mail2.htm file in the work files folder, you'll see this code. There's your opening anchor tag. href equals mail2 this time in quotation marks, colon, and then some email address. Close the opening anchor tag and then close the tag. This is how the code appears in the browser. This page, authored and maintained, and then my name. Clicking on the name will open up your email application where you can then send me an email. In this case, the email is going to be right here. I would write in my email address there. The next attribute, the target attribute, defines where the linked document will be opened. This code here will open the document in a blank new browser, because I have this attribute _blank right here. Pressing on this link will open up my website then in a brand new browser window. The other target attributes include _parent. The target URL will open up in the parent document. The _self target will open the URL in the same document as was clicked, and the _top target attribute will target the URL in the full body of the window.